Give you a little idea. In this business, I in first 2 years, I earned 300 million 2 years. So if you are looking today for a business that can earn you 300 million above in just the span of 2 years, this is the best time for you to listen in this video. So ngayong araw na ito, makikita ninyo kung paano kayo pwedeng kumita ng 300 million sa 2 taon. Because ako po nangyari sa akin yung 2 taon. Ako po, asawa ko, me and my wife, our first 2 years in the business earned 300 million net. That's why we are awarded as one of the top network marketers in the Philippines. Earned the biggest and the fastest income, which is 300 million pesos in just 2 years, net of tax. Now, syempre, sinave ko yung cheque ko, no? Syempre, napakaganda. Dapat isi-save mo yung cheque mo para when you show it to people, very important that you have checks for validation. So in a week, 500,000. After 1 week, additional 500,000. After 1 week, additional 500,000. And after 1 week, additional 500,000. Now, brother, if you are looking for a business that you want to earn 500,000 per week, this is the best business for you. Now, if you are looking for a business that you don't want stress anymore, this is the best business for you. Now, if you want business to earn 1 million per month without stress with payroll, rent, employees, products, and all those government stress, this is the business for you. Why? This business gave me in just 2 years all my dreams in life. I bought my first Porsche Carrera. I bought my first Lamborghini here. I bought my first Ferrari F430, the only Ferrari Spider in the whole Philippines. And these two cars just told me that this business can change anyone's life in the fastest way in just 2 years. It bought me a house. It gave me a very beautiful home in Alabang. Okay, now let's start. What can you do with your 5,000 pesos? In times like this, with your 5,000 pesos, you can only buy cell phone, laptop, iPad, old rubber shoes. But what if I tell you, with your 5,000 pesos, you can put up your own coffee business? You can put up your own cart for example, in San Pablo. For example, there's small there. We can put up a cart there, coffee cart. We can put up a coffee truck in San Pablo or anywhere you want, in Makati, Manila, anywhere you want. Or even in your own country, we can bring this one. We can bring it to Africa, Senegal, Australia, Canada, US, Asia, Spain, anywhere you want. We can put this up for you. We can put up your own coffee restaurant in Iran, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, anywhere you are. We can put up your own coffee shop in your province. Say for example, Laguna. You can put up your own coffee place in any offices, maybe in your own office, or maybe in front of your house. We can put up your own coffee business in front of your house. Now, this is what we have in Shaw Boulevard. This is our showroom, our coffee sample coffee shop. So once coffee shop simple like that, that's it. Now, there's a quick start package. Our quick start package is 5,288. With your 5,288, you can earn as much as 90,000 per month. Now, the question is, how do we earn 90,000 per month? It's very easy and simple. Did you know that coffee is the second most traded commodity? Meaning to say, people loves drinking coffee, so there is a big money in coffee business. Alright, so our office is in Shaw Boulevard. That's our showroom. This is our showroom. When you go inside, complete cashier, testimonial wall, and so forth. With your 5,288, you will receive a 6,000 worth of coffee. And also, you will also earn, before we end, my presentation is very simple. How do you earn in the coffee business? There are 3 ways. Number 1, you earn from selling coffee. You earn 24 pesos every cup of coffee. As a member, you get 25% discount every cup of coffee. So you earn 24 pesos every coffee that you sell, for example, in Laguna. If you sell 100 cups per day, that's 24 pesos each. That's 72,000 per month. Okay, again, you can earn 72,000 per month just by selling coffee. For example, in your office or in your agency, in your province. Number two, as we end, you can also earn from the referral program. That's what I do. I refer people to be part of the business. You earn 1,000 pesos every time you get members. So for example, you get one person. For example, Checo, you get 1,000. You get Peewee, you get 1,000. Every time you refer a person and they buy 5,000 pesos package, you earn 1,000 pesos. Okay? And then you also get a pairing bonus, which is 300 pesos. Every time they pair, for example, you have one left and one on your right, basta nag-pair yan, meron kang 300 pesos. That's a royalty bonus. If you have 10 on your left, 10 on your right, you get 10 pairs, you get 3,000 pesos. And then, for example, your team on your left sold 10, 100, and then team on your right sold 100, you get 30,000 pesos. And continue, you get 60,000 pesos. Meaning, every time there's a pair, you get 300. Okay? So now we're done. You can earn as much as 90,000 per month in the pairing bonus. Why? We can bring this in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, anywhere in the world, in the Philippines. If you have friends in provinces, you can tell them about your business. And when they buy, you earn. When they sign up members, they are your downlines, and you get commissions on everything. Not only in the Philippines, but also other countries, Russia, China, India, Africa, Australia, Canada, Singapore, Thailand, etc. This is the power of the business. You can even other country can be under you. Okay, we're done. I have a feasibility study that is what we call power of two. What will happen to your 5,000 pesos if you join and you only get two distributors? Okay, again, what will happen to your 5,000 pesos if you get only two person in your team? And that's it. And then you pass the power of two to all the people under you. Meaning to say, all of them did the same thing what you did. They join and they get two and they stop. Let's see your income for 2 years. Last slide. First month, you earn 1,000, 1,000 on your left, 1,000 on your right, plus one pair, 300. You earn a total of 2,300 because you invited two person and that's it. And then you stop. Okay? So this is the power of two. You join, you get two, and then you stop. Okay? Now, all the people under you is like you. They get two, they get two. Since you are the upline, you get 300 per pair. That's two pairs. That's 600 pesos. Okay? But you already stopped selling. Those two person got power of two, 4, 4. You get four pairs, you get 1, 2. 4 gets 2, 8, 8. You get 2,000. Next month, you get 5,000. Next month, you get 10,000. Next month, you get 20,000. Next month, you get 40,000. Next month, you get 80,000. Next month, you get 90,000. Next month, you get 90,000. Next month, you get 90,000. Why? Because the maximum income per month is only 90,000. Okay? So, meaning to say, if you have one account, you earn 90,000. If you have three accounts, that's 90,000 times 3 per month. So, it's up to you how many accounts you want. Okay? So, in 1 year, you earn 40,000, 400,000 with your 5,000 pesos. But, we're talking about 2 years, 12 months, times 90,000 per month. On your second year, you get 2.2 million total. So, only with 5,000 investment by getting two people. So, it's simple. Just get two. Just get two person and then you earn. So, we also have a standard package. This is what I got. I got the 17888 package. Why? Because the standard package will give you not 90,000 per month, but 450,000 per month maximum income. How do we do it? Very simple. First, you get 20 boxes of coffee worth 20,000 pesos. Your referral is not 1,000 but 2,500. Meaning to say, if you get people under you who pay 17,000, you get 2,500. Another person who pay sign up, you get 2,500. Okay? So, every time you pair, not 300 but 1,500 pesos. Every pair that you get 1,500. If your team A get 10, your team B gets 10, you get 10 pairs, you get 15,000. Next month, you get 150,000. Next month, you get 300,000. Okay, so the power of 2 is, here is 450,000 per month. The power of 2 with 17,000 package is 1 year, 2 million, second year, 5 million, plus bonus of 3 million. That's 10.5 million in 2 years with the power of 2. If you join and then you get 2, and you tell everybody to get their 2. So that's 10.5 million 2 years. Weekly income, you get as check every Saturday. Yeah. So it changed my life. This changed my life. So I'm coming back to the business that changed my life. We also give away free cars. So we give away Fortuner, Montero, Everest, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche GTR, Mustang, Toyota Vios, Toyota, Honda City. This is free. This we give this for free. Incentive. That's it. So that's the whole presentation. Done na. Yeah, that's it.